We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's go and practice cross heel 4. We'll start basic on 1, slow. Did you know that cross heel 4 is heel 4 with a cross? See for yourself. Let's go. Heel, cross, tap. Heel, cross, tap. Basic. Make sure to go over heel 4 in the link below. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 4 and 8. Yeah, let's go. Last time slow. 1, 2, 3. And get ready. Full speed. 1 basic. And yeah, let's go. Basic. Let's go one more time. Basic. And let's go for the last time. Let's go. Doing great. The more you practice, the better you get. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? I know you are. Let's go. Heel, cross, tap. Heel, cross, tap. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Last time slow. Yeah, you're doing great. Let's go. Get ready for full speed. Let's go. Basic. Yeah. Let's go. Basic. And give me one more. Let's go. Basic. And last time. Let's go. Now let's practice on 2. The basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Basic on 2 slow, and then just start with your right. Right heel, cross, tap. Left heel, cross, tap. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and 2. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Notice again that we don't use the 4 and 8. Let's go. Last time slow. Get ready to, full speed. Basic. And let's go. Doing great. Basic. You know what? One more time. Go. Basic. And guess what? Yeah, one more. Doing great. Repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Are you ready? I know you are. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Heel, cross, tap. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. Heel, cross, 4. Go. And 5, 6, 7. Basic. And make sure to go over heel 4 in the link below. Yeah, let's go. And let's go full speed. Basic. Let's go for the first time. Go. Yeah. Basic. Second time. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Basic. Give me one more. Yeah. Now let's practice face to face. I want to see you. I'll flip the screen so you can follow along. Continue basic on 2 slow. Yeah, and let's go 3 in a row. No basic. With the left. 5, 6, 7. No basic. With the right. Heel, cross, tap. With the left. Heel, cross, tap. Last time. Get ready to full speed. 5, 6, 7. Full speed. Basic. Yeah. Let's go. 3 in a row. Second time. 1, 5. And one basic. And let's do everything. Yeah, on 1. First basic on 1, slow. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. 3 in a row. Let's go with the left and with the right. No basic. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Last time slow. Get ready to full speed with one basic. Let's go. One basic. Yeah. Let's go. 3 in a row. 1, 5. Second time. Yeah. And last time. Well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good, it is the thing you do that makes you good. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: snap your head on 3 and 7 to create a sharper movement.